Hey there, and welcome to Word Journey English, your cozy corner for learning English through stories, every day, all day. I'm Lafisha, and I'm so happy you're here. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up your skills, this channel is your place to listen, relax, and grow your English step by step. We'll explore fun stories, real-life conversations, and useful phrases that you can use right away. So grab a cup of tea, hit play, and let your word journey begin. Don't forget to subscribe and join me on this adventure, one word at a time. It was Monday morning. John woke up early, as always. He brushed his teeth, drank a cup of coffee, and kissed his wife, Linda. "Have a good day at the factory," she said. "I'll try," John smiled. "We have a lot to do." John owned a small factory in a town in Ohio. His company made electric fans for homes, schools, and shops. The fans were simple, but strong and affordable. John felt proud of his work. He got into his truck and drove to the factory. The sun was rising. The road was quiet. Everything felt normal. But that day was not going to be normal. At 8 a.m., the factory doors opened. Machines started. Workers put on their gloves and safety glasses. There were 5 workers: Sarah, Mike, David, Luis, and Ben. They liked working with John. He was kind and fair. John walked around, checking the machines. "Everything okay?" he asked Sarah. "Yes, boss," she said. "We just need more fan motors." "No problem," John said. "I ordered more last week." Those motors came from China. They always arrived in 2 weeks. But this time, they wouldn't. John walked into his office. He turned on the radio. The reporter's voice was serious. Today, the U.S. government announced new tariffs on goods from China. John paused. This trade war will raise prices on many Chinese products, including electronics. John's heart sank. He picked up the phone and called Mr. Lee, his supplier in China. "Hello, Mr. Lee," John said. "Did you hear the news?" "Yes," Mr. Lee replied. "I'm very sorry. The prices are going up." "How much?" John asked. "Maybe 30%. Maybe more," Mr. Lee said. "There are new taxes. Shipping may take longer, too." John was silent. He felt sick. "I see," he said. "Thanks for letting me know." "I hope this ends soon," Mr. Lee said. "Me too," John replied, then hung up the phone. John looked at his papers. He did the math. Before, one motor cost $10. Now it would cost $13 or even $15. He made 1,000 fans each month. That extra cost was a lot of money. "I can't raise the price too much," he thought. "People will stop buying. But if I don't raise it, I lose money." He leaned back in his chair. He rubbed his forehead. This was serious. John called a meeting with his workers. They sat around the lunch table. "I have some bad news," John said. "The government added big taxes to parts from China. Now our fan motors cost more." Everyone looked surprised. "How bad is it?" asked Mike. "Very bad," John said. "I may not be able to order the same parts anymore." "What can we do?" asked Sarah. "I don't know yet," John said. "But I promise I'll try my best." That night, John sat in the living room. He didn't eat much dinner. He stared at the floor. Linda sat next to him. "You're quiet tonight," she said. "It's the factory," John said. "This trade war is killing us. I may have to let people go." "You always find a way," Linda said softly. "Not this time," John said.
I'm scared, Linda.
"Really scared?" Linda took his hand. "You're not alone," she said. "We'll figure it out. Together." The next day, John stayed in his office. He searched online for new suppliers. He made calls to companies in the U.S. Some had the parts he needed, but they were expensive. Others didn't have the right size or shape. He called one company in Texas. "Yes, we can sell you motors," the man said. "But it's $16 per piece." "That's too much," John said. "I can't pay that and still sell the fan for a good price." "Sorry," said the man. John sighed.
Click.
He hung up the phone. John walked around the factory floor. He passed a corner filled with old machines. His father used to build small parts in the old days by hand. What if we make some parts ourselves again, he thought. He called Sarah over. Remember when we used to build the fan covers ourselves? He asked. Yes, she said. It took more time, but we did it. Maybe we can do it again, John said. Maybe we can make more parts here. John bought some tools. He cleaned the old machines. He and the workers started making simple parts in the factory. It was slow. It was hard, but it was something. They messed up sometimes, but they learned from their mistakes. John also found one US company that sold good motors. They were more expensive, but had no extra taxes. He bought 200 to start. The new fans were a little different. They cost more, but they worked well. John made a sign and put it on the box. Made in the USA, built with care. Some people liked that. A customer at the store said, "These fans are great, and I like that they're made here." That made John smile. It gave him hope. John spoke to his workers at lunch. "I know the last month was hard," he said, "but we're still here. We're still working. That means something." The workers nodded. "We may not make 1,000 fans a month," he said, "but we make good fans. Honest fans. Fans people trust." Sarah raised her cup. "To the new way," she said. Everyone laughed and cheered. 3 months later, the factory was still open. It was smaller, but steady. John hired 2 more people. They trained to build parts by hand. The fans sold well in small shops and online. They cost a little more, but customers liked the quality. John stood by the window and looked at the machines. "We're not the same," he said to Linda, "but maybe that's okay." She smiled. "You didn't just save the factory. You made it stronger." Trade wars are not just on the news. They change real lives. They hurt small businesses. They make work harder. But people like John find a way. They learn.
They grow.
They help each other. John lost something in the trade war, but he found something too. New skills, new ideas, and a stronger team. Thanks so much for listening and spending time with me today on Word Journey English. I hope you enjoyed the story and picked up some new words along the way. Remember, every day you listen, you're one step closer to fluency. So keep going, stay curious, and come back anytime for more stories and English fun. Until next time, this is Lafisha, wishing you a happy and confident word journey. Bye for now and see you soon.